grin is crooked and his flowers rot. His makeup ruined by the rain that never stopped. He wishes for better days ahead, would make it easier to sleep on his bed. He envies those who are happy and those who are dead. Hey, silence is louder and it can make your heart bleed. The quiet speaks words that the mind can never read. In the silence of the heart. Gina's father never spoke a word. Her mother's care can never be heard. They all think her loving Tim was a bit absurd. I ran off with a pleasurable guilt, afraid I might break the trust I'd built. Some things are better left unsaid.